Hello, I'm Hassan Kucheki. In this video, we're gonna discover the second exercise of the information retrieval course in the university. Well, in this exercise, we have to create positional index for the given dataset. In this document, first we go through introduction, then see the creation positional index process. Uh, Containing preparing the list, preparing the unique word list, rest of the code, and at the end we see the code for writing the data to files. After that, we see and discuss about some first queries. The first queries are leaving someone, fail sexless, and have. At the end, we see the first query search code and conclude. First, in the introduction, we see the positional indexing, which is a technique which is used in information retrieval system to identify and retrieve documents based on their position and location. In this definition, we see two important words. First, we see the containing documents, and the second, we see the position of that word. For example, if we had this document, the technique is the word which is available in the document, and we can see the position of this word, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Technique is the index 4 of this document and is available to this document. Then we have first query, which is a query searched for the exact phrase without anything between those tokens and words in the query. We'll see more later. First, we see the creating positional index. This is the word list. We have this in our program. After that, we can have the unique word list here written in one line in Python, thanks to the strength of the programming language of Python. We can here split the values and join them and then set them together. Here is the rest of the code. We can grab the word, search for the result. We have the result dictionary here. We search here. Here we can check the word if it's available in the document. If yes, we create indices indices list, and here we append the indexes. If we have indices, we append that to the results dictionary, and here we write that to the file. And if we want to check the file format, it's like this. First, for example, for the first instance, we have time, which is here. We have time, comma, and how many documents containing the time, which is here is 2, D1 and D3. 2 is written here, and a semicolon. After that, we go through and write the rest of the data to the file. Here we have first document, which is written here, and here we have the index. For example, time is available in the document 1 and in the position of 14, and also in document 3 and in the first position. And at the end, we close the parentheses and we go for the next item. We can close this, and here we are going to process this phrase query. The first phrase query is leaving someone. In the first query, we should first of all find documents containing this and this. Each token leaving is available in D1, D3, and D4. Someone is appeared in D3. we AND these documents and these results in D3, and in D3 we check the word. Living is on position 8 and 19, someone is on position 9. And because it's first query, we should check that if they are come in a correct sequence. So living should be in the position X and someone should be in the position X plus 1. So it is fulfilled here 8 and 9, so it returns the document 3 as a result. Next phase query is fail success. We do the exact procedure here. Find the failed documents D6 only, and success is also D6. So we go to the positions 13 and 17, but here we can't return anything as 13 and 17 aren't in a correct sequence. The next one is and how we do the exact things here. D, D4, we have and in position 10, and in document 6 we have in position 7, so we here again we don't return anything. This is the code for first query search. We first split the query words and tokens to search one by one. Here we get the documents, and here we check the sequence to be correct in first query. Here easily we can check if matched, it means we append the document ID and break to this loop and go for the next one. Using that we can perform the first query search in Python, and these are the description that I already told you. Thank you for your attention. Take care.